This KICKER 46CSC674 speaker package gives you four 6 3/4-inch coaxial car speakers, which is ideal for upgrading sound in both front and rear doors at the same time. The speakers handle up to 100 watts of continuous power each, so they stay clean and composed even when you turn the volume up for long drives. Their two-way design, with a dedicated tweeter and woofer, delivers noticeably clearer vocals and crisp, high frequencies compared with typical factory speakers. Bass response is strong and tight thanks to the large magnet, extended voice coil design, and a cone and surround built to move accurately without distortion. The shallow mounting depth and low-profile tweeters make installation straightforward in most factory locations without needing custom spacers or cutting panels. Durable materials, including a sun-resistant surround and protective steel grills, help these speakers hold up well in daily use and harsh automotive environments.